You sit down to study, and before you know it, your mind is screaming for a break. Your phone, your thoughts, even the ceiling suddenly seems so interesting. You tell yourself you're studying, but deep down, you realize you're just staring at words, hoping they'll stick. Then the exam arrives, and your mind goes blank. Why does this happen? Because most people don't really study. They just pretend to. They highlight, reread, and copy notes. But that's not true learning. Your brain isn't just a storage unit, it's a machine that learns through challenges. That's why the best way to learn is to push your brain to recall information instead of merely looking at it. Close the book. Test yourself. Say it out loud. If you can't explain it, you don't really know it. But that's just the first mistake. The second, studying for hours like a zombie. The brain isn't designed for long, tedious sessions. It functions best in bursts. Study, take a break, reset, and then repeat. Think of it like weightlifting. You don't get stronger by lifting a dumbbell for 5 hours straight. You build strength by lifting, resting, and lifting again. And here's the real challenge. Can you simplify what you've learned? If you can't explain a concept in the simplest terms, you don't truly grasp it. Breaking things down forces your brain to connect ideas, making them stick. And the final mistake? Most students study alone in silence, thinking it's the best approach. But learning is social. Discuss what you've studied, debate it, teach someone else. The more you engage with the information, the more it sticks. Here's the reality. Most people will hear this and continue making the same mistakes. They'll cram, highlight, and panic. Then they'll wonder why nothing changes. But not you. Now you know better. You don't need to study longer. You need to study smarter. So stop just watching. Start learning. And ace your exams.